Today we're gonna make apple pie spice. It's nothing complicated, it's just a mix of 3 different spices, but it's my particular ratio that I love and I feel complements apples in both apple pies and apple crisps just beautifully. You can also use it in my energy balls or in my apple scones. It's also delightful for breakfast, just add it to yogurt with some fresh cut apples and maybe a little maple syrup if you're feeling decadent, or in oatmeal. It's just a really great way to add that fall flair to whatever you're making. Let's get into it. So there's really not much to get into. It's just my particular ratio. So there's only 3 things. So we've got cinnamon, which is the bulk of it. That's 4 teaspoons. And then nutmeg, that's 1 teaspoon. It's gonna be a little less for fresh ground. This is pre-ground, kind of store-bought. And then this is a ½ teaspoon of allspice. Some other recipes call for cardamom or some other additions, but this is what I find to be the most just beautiful with the apples. All right, so give that a whisk with my favorite tool, the baby whisk. And then pat yourself on the back because you're done. So this can obviously be made in a large batch or obviously a tiny batch. And then you can use it for, energy balls, or I have it in scones up there as well, and obviously in apple crisps and apple pies, just the way you would use cinnamon. You just season to your own taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in my I've got a little apple pie spice container. I also have one for pumpkin pie spice. I also put it in my oatmeal and in my yogurt, just for a little flair, a little fall flair. So then I just store it in my cabinet. You could also make a really nice gift if you want to maybe gift a bushel of apples, really if you live near a farm or something and you want to gift all the things needed for pie, right there. And that's it. Now you've made it and you can go make all the things.